As the camera dollies back, the immense scale of the C5M Super Galaxy becomes apparent.
Slow and steady on the port side. Watch the stress fractures. Hold position B. All personnel, clear the area.
Roger that. Perimeter is clear.
Point 6 is secure. Roger that. Commencing stabilization sequence now. Keep eyes on the starboard engine nacelle. The load cells are peaking. We are seeing separation in the mud. Command, keep the pressure steady. Cranes, hold your position. Move, slow advance. We are scraping the left side. Okay, clear. We are clear of the sandstorm. Begin final lowering procedures.
Copy that. Engaging winches now.
Ease it down, easy now. Clear on the left.
Confirmed contact. All support secure.
The laser shows severe buckling at the apex.
Copy that. Running the corrosion scan now.
All right, clear the area below. We're running the pressure test now.
Copy that. Flow engaged on the main line.
Get a close-up on this pit. The UT reading is barely registering.
Confirmed. The electrochemical reaction made this skin paper thin.
Look at the pitting here. That's significant corrosion.
Yeah, and the hydraulic. Yeah, and the hydraulics are completely shot.
Keep the lance steady on that seam. Copy that, almost through the panel. Okay, panning past the bulkhead now. The sludge accumulation is heavy down here. Noted. And that insulation looks completely saturated.
Clear left. Engaging in hoist. Take it up easy. Watch the clearance.
Reduced to a clean metal tube skeleton, the massive scale of the cargo bay is striking, highlighting the internal structural beams.
Look at this reading right here. The material loss is critical.
Confirmed. We'll have to replace the entire bulkhead section.
Phase 3. Arrival and dismantling. The scaffolding is repositioned around the skeletal fuselage.
Careful with that section, watch the paint. Copy that, moving it now.
The F-138 blades show critical degradation from the submersion. This deviation alert confirms they are beyond repair.
Apply the torque slowly, watch the gauge. All right, she's free. Let's get it lowered into the bath and see if we can dissolve the rest of that crystallization.
Bring it down another ½ inch. We're almost flush.
Affirmative. Holding steady at the mount point.
Maintain current vector. We have millimeter perfect alignment on the laser grid. Proceed to secure the joint.
Alignment looks good. Lowering into the fuselage cradle now.
Confirmed secure. Pressure checks are nominal. Pressure holding steady on line 3.
Confirmed. Proceeding with the final torque sequence now.
Check the alignment on the left side.
Looks good. Torquing the final bolt now.
Okay, hit it with the wrench.
Setting torque now. 3 clicks. Easy now, watch the edge. Locked in. Pressure looks good.
Starting the sealant application.
The gap is perfect.
Torque set to 50. All green.
Navigation bus 1 engaged.
Confirmed. T-tail beacon active. All systems nominal.
Power bus 1 active.
Check. Bus 2 active.
Initialization sequence complete. All stations hold. Okay, we are clear. Release brakes and proceed to Charlie.